Prime movers, not first but always fast mover. New innovation packing moving industry relocation world. Packers and Movers Guwahati Assam. Packers and Movers is a company that shifts you to move your goods easily from one place to another. The moment you hand over your relocation work to the movers and packers, best professional packers and movers Guwahati Assam. Packers unpack and place the items at the new site if desired. Movers are the people who load and unload the truck. Many people to save money pack things themselves, but if you can afford it, packers make moving easier. Relocation services Guwahati Assam. As opposed to that of the common notion, relocating of a workspace can be much more complex and complicated than relocating your home. Car transport services by car carrier Guwahati, Assam. There are professional packers and movers who handle this job, and the owner can rest assured that the car is delivered at the new place at the doorstep. Bike transport by two-wheeler body scooter Guwahati Assam. I had to transport the bike. Some of us friends joined together and hired a truck, and the loading process was heart-wrenching, very professional. Luckily, the bike was almost safe with a minor damage in the handlebar grip. Commercial and household goods luggage transport services Guwahati Assam. For household goods, you are advised to hire packers and movers, and for commercial goods you are advised to hire transport companies that specialize in particular commodities. Commercial complex office factory industrial relocation shifting solution Guwahati Assam. Commercial moves come with their own set of management challenges. Regardless of the size, scale or location, the objective should always be to manage moves as efficiently and cost-effectively as possible with minimal disruption to normal business operations. Local transporter services within city interstate and intrastate transportation Guwahati Assam. You can compare company profiles, moving costs, reviews and ratings in a single place to quickly hire the best suited local packers and movers for all your relocation needs. Pet relocation services by chartered special vehicle Guwahati Assam. Pet transfer specialists. We help guide you through all registrations, special travel requirements and medical regulations. The tasks of pet relocation can seem pretty confusing. Goods storage, warehousing and CO working spaces available Guwahati Assam. Warehousing has never been a hotter topic, so much so that there has even been a shortage of warehouse space and on-demand warehousing popping up. Commercial vehicle factories and transit insurance Guwahati Assam. Transit insurance provide a policy that include compensation against common perils that might cause to the items that are being. Contact us on www.cargo.in, shifting@cargo.in, Indian Prime Movers @gmail.com, and mobile number 9405410002.